5 engine?
Yeah, 277-27.
I didn't hear Cordova one.
277-27, 5 units. Look at this train. SD40, SD40, SD70, Jibo.
Yep.
I was listening to this guy for the better part of an hour. Before he showed up.
Yeah.
Goodbye, 277.
I was wondering if Louise had gone back around.
Who's Louise?
The young lady who walked past us.
Oh, the woman who works at the museum?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, she's still in there somewhere. I don't know where.
Right here.
Speaking of double.
Hey, speak of the
I
devil.
have a question for you.
I might have an answer, I don't know.
Probably don't.
That's a really short 277.
Yeah. Was 5 engines?
I have
I think it was 6.
a huge following.
Maybe, I don't know.
It was an AC-44.
You guys ever need a
AC-44.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 2.6.
No, an SD40, an
Track
SD40,
one.
SD70, and a G.
I saw it. I saw
7
it.
engines.
See it? Okay. I
Who
don't
you
know.
check with?
Check with Karen. I don't know if they have somebody who's going to do it or not.
Let's do that again. C4, 2 C44s, 2 SD40s.
Thanks, Louise.
Yeah.
2 SD40s, an SD70, and a Jibo. Yeah, that's 6 engines.
Yeah.
They put 6 motors on that thing. Jesus.
Yeah. I'm finding out how many axles he got. I'm still recording too.
Oh, nice.
So I find out how many axles it is. So.
A lot of engines on that train.
Yeah.
Plus 2 articulated cars.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought I heard something on your radio. I might need to pick it up.
Yeah, I got a little bit of squawk from him. Must have been him.
Yeah, must be. So I think, okay,
Radios must be pretty bad.
probably.
Even though the atmospheric conditions are probably as good as you could get.
Yeah.
If your radio's crap, there's nothing you can do about that.
Yeah. Yeah, I was surprised from all the days. Like, they picked up 33.1 or 0.6 or something. 12 miles away. Alright, come on, T-Fact. But he's going slow enough, but he's still going fast.
Good 40 miles an hour.
Yeah, so he's about what? Good.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 2.6. Track 1. No defects.
It's the milepost.
No defects. Total axle 1. 9er 8. End of
All the
transmission.
Amtrak's are out of here.
Yeah, but the Amtrak turns. I went to a